Well, I got this new drill doctor. I've got a lot of drill bits that are dull, and they're not very good dull, so I thought I'd try out this drill doctor and sharpen some of them up. I'm taking an old drill that's got a dull bit, and first thing you do is you put it in the chuck loosely, and then you set the angle of the tip with this guide, and then you lock it into place. And then you just turn the machine on and you spin this around and it sharpens it. Now I've got a nice sharp bit, and it kind of stops grinding when it's reached its point. So we'll go try it out. Okay, we're going to try this thing out. I've got a piece of 1/4-inch stock that I have clamped down to the drill press, and I've got the bit that I just sharpened and chucked up. So put a little oil in there. Perfect, went right through there. Great.